This is a BMW 524 harness in the Vixen motorhome. This end over here starts at your glow plug module. This is your fuel filter. This is the main engine connector. You come down just a little bit from that main connector and there's a Y in the harness, and I've cut the heavy insulation back. This one I cut back about 10 inches. I recommend about a foot to get these wires out of there. The tan with yellow and the blue with tan, or tan with blue, these two wires go a little bit further down in the harness but can be pulled up to the foot. This black with yellow connection is usually pretty resilient. It's often the best one out of all of them, but if you look here, this is the reason I cut these apart and fix them, is because these wires have just rotted off from these little connectors.